Hey guys, welcome back to Candy Wars. Today I'm here with Leia and Baloo. Oh, I thought they were gonna jump up. Oh, it didn't. Okay, I thought they were gonna jump up. So today we're doing the Uber People Challenge. The Uber People Challenge. Leia will be the mean Uber. Leia will be the mean Uber. Yeah, make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification so you won't miss any of our videos. Shout out to Marmar. To my channel, Yaya will be in the comments. Yeah. Subscribe to Yaya too. She is awesome too. Act like nothing wrong with being still. So let's go. By the way, this video is going to be really awkward because I have to type and talk at the same time. It's really weird. Oh, we have been waiting for so long, and I'm starting to get hungry. Let's check for a Uber. Let's check for an Uber. Oh, I know, right? She's taking like so long. Our Uber runs over people. Do you see an Uber? I'm gonna check. I'm gonna check for Uber. I don't see one. Oh girl, I'm tired too. Lulu is tired. I'm so tired. Uber, yay! What's up? Okay, let me get in my car. Not in my car. Let me get in the car. Y'all stinky. Okay, he's kind of rude. Take us to campsite. Take us to campsite. Yeah, that's our dog. That's our dog. That's our dog. I don't care if it's too far. We need to get there. I'm going there. You're all stinky. Okay. Do you want us to die? Do you want us to die? Ooh. Ouch, I hit my head. Ouch. Oh, I'm feeling really bad. Oh, no, I'm about to throw up. Why did we stop? Hey, don't throw up in my car. I will. So drive good. Guys, this is not how we act in real life. We're like just like role playing. Yeah. Makes her aim in another direction. Oh, I threw up out of the car. Ugh. You left our dog behind. No. Get her. We need to get the dog. No, please get the dog. No, please. Get the Why are we here? I'm gonna die. Yeah. No. Campsite. Campsite. Now. Ugh. I can't believe he pushed us off the car. Well, guys, I'll see you for the last and final. Ugh. Give me an Uber, please. I'm tired. Ugh. We came after a party. Leia, we're out of the party. No, it was not. Leia's just being so crazy. Oh, hi, Uber. Ew. Let me just get in this car. Yes, she is like the lazy, disgusting Uber, and we're like the mean, like, passenger. So, yeah. Keep punching. Ugh. Leia, stop dancing. Just stop. What? Ugh. Oh, so disgusting. I'm gonna leave this a bad review. Runs to the nearest bathroom. Bye, Uber. Thanks a lot. She was sleeping? Wow, such a good Uber. I'm gonna help her clean it off. For real. Stop dancing. Stop dancing. No problem. Horrible, nasty Uber. I know, right? I mean, I know, right? I don't. I don't feel so good. Guys, I just ran over a car. I didn't die. I fainted. I fainted. I don't feel so good. I don't like that Uber. I don't like that Uber. I hate that Uber. The Rose party. I'm so sick. Uber. Take us to hospital. Take us to hospital. I'll be back when we're like. I'm an Uber. I see some people over there. I'm gonna go pick them up. Oh, sorry, I'm supposed to go slow. Oh, people. Oops, sorry. Hi, I'm Piper. I'm your Uber. I don't know if they'll like me or. No, I'm Piper. I'm your Uber. Guys, get it in. hospital. Oh, the little cats. Where are you guys going? Where are you guys going? Kay, she's at the hospital. Kay, I'll put the hospital. Okay, I'll put the hospital. I'll go to the hospital. I'll meet you guys when I'm at the hospital. Alex is here. Alex, say hi.
Hello.
Oh, Leia, you'll be fine.
I am Baldi.
Okay, so the cat is Leia. So Leia is the cat. No! No, Leia, come back! Leia, come back! No! Guys, I'll come back when we have this. No, guys, get in the car. Oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of our videos. Bye, guys. Alex, say bye. Sorry, I'm eating something. Alex, say bye. Yeah, sub to Yaya. Bye-bye, guys.